Wow, cool couple. Papa. Yeah, she. We have photo. Wait.
What now? Thank you, Jay, so much for this beautiful look. I really love my hair and I love my makeup. Like, I'm looking so gorgeous. Like, I'm looking like a bride, and I really appreciate it. And then thanks for hosting me well. Thank you very much. So guys, if you want anything for your hair, your makeup, she's good at it. Just visit Jeys Parlor at Ashiye Hair. Telephone number is down there. You can contact her for all your makeups and your hairstyle. She's so good, trust me. She's thank you.
Hi guys, so I'm Stephanie and I bought my wig from Jeys Wigs. To be frank, it's really soft human hair. Everything is so perfect and I recommend it for you guys, and I want you guys to buy from Jeys Wigs because the hair is really nice. And when I was buying this wig, I was really scared because people sell fake wigs, you know, but like when I got it, God, I was really happy. I was screaming because that thing was so nice and real, and it's really soft. It's human hair to sew, and it's really less, it's not expensive. So you guys buy from them. Okay, bye.
Wow, I like how it feels now. This is a revamped hair by Jeys Cosmetology. In fact, see, let me turn for you to see. When I brought this hair, there was no hope.
Wow.
But see, Jay has turned everything around. Guys, the revamping is superb. I like how it feels now. And this hair, I'm gonna rock it for so long a time. Ladies, bring your hair today and trust me, you will love it.